Who doesn't love a good curly hair with the beautiful, most bold baby hairs? I know we all do. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the custom baby hairs that are all the rage right now on this beautiful curly hair from Unice. And all the information on this wig will be in the description box down below. So first things first, TJ went ahead and applied the wig. This is a glueless wig, so that means he used a band to go ahead and apply the wig. And if you like to see any more videos on TJ applying a glueless wig, all of the information on that will be in the description box down below as well. So once TJ finishes installing the actual wig, it is time to do these baby hairs. So the baby hairs are going to be like the popular swoopy swoops that you've seen on Jada Waita. You've seen Eric and Tay do them on so many people. You've also seen them on none other than the one and only De'Ara. And, you know, we're going to really be attempting to do these swoopy swoops today. And they're very, very cute, guys. So I'm so excited to be doing this style with TJ. So all TJ uses is a eyebrow spoolie. I really like that he uses an eyebrow spoolie because it's very easy to use on short hair. So I would definitely recommend, if you are one that wants to use like edge brushes or anything on like your edges, like your really, really cute baby hairs, I would definitely go with an eyebrow spoolie, just because it definitely gets all the little kinks in your hair that, you know, you want to stick down real nicely. So after he finishes laying down these baby hairs, we are going to secure them with a wrap, and we're gonna be under the dryer for a little bit just for those baby hairs to nicely lay. And with that, we are done, and this hair looks so beautiful, guys. Look at those beautiful curls. All the information, again, will be in the description box down below. Go ahead and check out Unice hair for any other hair that you might like as well. And go ahead and like this video if you like it. Comment down below what you liked about it. And subscribe to your girl's channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and beautiful gems. Smooches.
Hit me up if you wanna make love, but don't call my phone if you try to